Hey, how's it going? It's Jared from Marigold Library System. For today's craft, we're going to be making pipe cleaner surfers. So let's get started. For today's supplies, you're going to need a hot glue gun, packing tape, which is optional, something to decorate your surfboard with. I'm using Sharpies, a pair of scissors, pipe cleaners for your surfer, a piece of cardboard for your surfboard, and this is also optional, but you're going to need some blue pipe cleaner and a blue piece of construction paper. To make your pipe cleaner surfer, you're going to start at the legs and you're going to fold it in half like this. You're just going to cut it right there. Now you're going to fold it in half again, and then you're just going to bend the ends, and those are going to be your feet. So for the torso, I like to fold the pipe cleaner in half again, and I'm going to wrap it around the legs, just like that. Make sure it's flush. And then you're going to twist the pipe cleaner all the way to the top. And you're just going to leave a little bit untwisted at the top. For the arms, you're going to cut a pipe cleaner in half, just like you did for the legs. And you're going to center it over this T. So then what you're going to do is you're going to wrap the T around the arm on both sides. And that's going to hold your arms in place. Then all you have to do is pick how long you want the pipe cleaner surfer's arms to be. I'm going to cut off just a little bit. And you're ready for his head. For the pipe cleaner surfer's head, what you're going to do is you're going to take a different colored piece of pipe cleaner and you're going to wrap it around the torso like this. So it's going to go under and then over one arm. And then you're going to go back over the other arm. And you're just going to do this pattern once. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make the head the size that you want it. So you're just going to wrap it around in a circle. Make it the shape that you want. And once you're happy with the size of his head, you're going to wrap around one more time. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill in the space by just twisting your pipe cleaner like that. Now, before you go on, your legs are going to be a little wiggly. So what I would do is I would take some hot glue and I would just glue his legs down so that they don't wiggle around so much. While your glue is drying, you can go ahead and take your piece of cardboard and outline what you want your surfboard to look like. So we're just going to make a line. I don't like this first line, so I'm just going to fix it a little bit. There we go. Then you can just cut out your outline. Now I actually want mine to be a little bit more pointy, so you can just fix the shape up a little bit if you'd like to. Now you can go ahead and decorate it. Before you continue, if you don't plan on making your wave, then wrap your surfboard in packing tape and that'll make it waterproof. I like to add a fin to my surfboard. So what you can do for that is you can get a spare piece of cardboard and you can just cut a fin out of it. Just like that. And then you can glue it to the bottom of your surfboard. You can just do this, put a little bit of glue there. Once your surfer is dry and your surfboard is ready, you can go ahead and glue your surfer to your surfboard. So what I like to do is I like to get the knees bent on my surfer, kind of like this. Just lean them over a little bit. Put the glue on the bottom of the surfer's feet. And place him on the surfboard. Just like that. Now you can let him dry and then we can move on. The next step is making your wave. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a pipe cleaner and you're going to glue it to one of the long edges of your construction paper. So put a little glue at the top, little glue in the middle, little glue at the bottom. Just add a fair amount of glue, but not too much. And then you can let that dry. Next, you're going to add pipe cleaner to both of these shorter edges of your construction paper. So do the same thing. Put glue all the way down the side. And then you can let that dry. But for this side, you're going to need to trim your pipe cleaner to fit the length. Next, you're going to bend your construction paper. So you're going to take it and you're going to wrap it up just like that. And then you're going to make sure it is a C shape. And you can test and see how your pipe cleaner surfer fits. If it's too short like that, you can open it up a little bit. Now you need to make a stand for your wave. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a little glue off center of the bottom side right here. And you're going to put 2 pipe cleaners just like that. Next, you're going to put a bend in your pipe cleaner about a hand's width away from the bottom side. You're going to make sure that they're both the same length. And then you're going to flip it up like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to glue your pipe cleaner to the back of the wave. So find out where they're going to connect. Put a little bit of glue there. I put a little extra just so that it's easy to line up. And then you can put a little bit more glue down. Now what I do is I take my pipe cleaner and I bend it where the glue is and I bring it down to the other pipe cleaner and I wrap it a couple of times, and this will help add some structural support. Finally, take your surfer and decide where you want him to sit on your wave. You may need to adjust your wave just a little bit depending on the size of your wave and your surfer. And then once you're ready, you're going to glue the back of your fin and you're going to glue the back side, so the opposite side that the surfer's facing, of your surfboard. You're going to put lots of glue there. Then quickly put your surfer on your paper and you're going to need to hold it here while it dries. Now you can make any adjustments you would like to your surfer. Maybe you want him to lean a little bit, maybe you want him to bend down a little bit more, and you're finished. If you liked today's video, make sure to subscribe and check out marigoldprograms.ca for more programs, challenges, and activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.